Hello and welcome to this relaxing body scan session, allowing you to eliminate any physical tension and emotional residue. Make sure to adjust so that you're in a very comfortable position, preferably lying down this time. Now take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let your eyes gently close. Focusing on the sensations at the top of your head. Imagine that a gentle wave of relaxation is about to make contact with the top of your head. This relaxation eliminates all tension or worry. Allow this gentle sensation to move across your forehead, melting away any anxiety you have held here. This relaxation removes any doubt that made its way into your brain. Feel your mind letting go of despair. Let your focus move to your nose, feeling the slight sensations of the air moving in and out with your breath. When you breathe in, imagine that you are being filled with enough relaxation to let go of anything you wish. Now focus on your ears. Notice how they feel and what they hear around you. Try to hear every single noise. When sounds come into your ears, they act as little waves of relaxation, letting go of any loud thoughts in your mind. Your entire head is fully relaxed by this wonderful sensation, taking away all uneasiness in your memories. And move your focus down to your neck and shoulders. And if there is any tension that has gotten stuck here from stress, let the relaxation take it away, asking it to release and finally let go. Move your attention slowly going down each arm, down all the way to each fingertip. Feel the gentle wave of relaxation calming all the intricate muscles in your arms and fingers. Let your fingers become completely loose. Allow your focus to go onto your chest, expanding your lungs with your breath, releasing all those times you held your breath in suspense. Now imagine you are focusing on your heart and can feel it beating strongly, supporting you. Relax your heart. If you have any feelings of pain, any heartbreak or fear of love, it will be eliminated now and forever. Allow your focus to move through your vital organs and digestive system. Just notice your belly and observe it digesting effortlessly for you. Any times that you have felt fear in your gut, it's now being gently lifted. Now notice your lower back and how it presses against the surface you are on. And if you feel any tension you have held here, feel the deep relaxation melting it away. Feel the relaxation in your pelvis and hips. Notice any sensations related to fear you are having there. This takes you deeper into a state of relaxation, which heals you, letting go of these experiences once and for all. Allowing your focus to move down each leg now, slowly relaxing any uneasiness you've held here. Your legs have been taking you so many places over the years, and they deserve to fully relax and let go. This wonderful wave of relaxation moves all the way to your feet and to the very tip of each toe, taking away anything that holds you back from being the best. Good. Notice how completely relaxed your entire body feels right now. Good. You became aware of every part of your body, releasing any physical blockages as well as emotional, for good. Whenever you are ready, return your awareness to the present moment. Take a nice full breath and open your eyes. Thank you.